Hi, my name is Hitomi, and today we are going to be trying the DIY pottery kit from Crockd, and I'm very excited to be joined with the rest of my team to do this as our team bonding activity. So let's check it out. This kit comes with 2 packs of clay, enough for 2 people, burlap, because why not, fun tools, and these clay breaker cards, because this is a team outing after all. These guys are funny. If you like puns, this will put a smile on your face. All right, let's get nifty. Not sure if you noticed, but there's no plastic in the packaging. They are 100% eco-friendly, which I appreciate. I'm going with the pinch pot method because this is my first time doing pottery as an adult, so I'm setting myself up for success. Ladies, what are you making?
I'm going to try my best. I'm going to try for small, so it can't be that wrong. And I'm thinking maybe like a pot for a plant, maybe something with curves if I get fancy, but mostly a pot because I think I can't fail.
I have done pottery before. I took it in college and I take classes at my local YMCA, but I'm very out of practice, so I feel like a novice. I think small is the way to go. Also, this is fun, so I'm like, I can get more out of this if I do smaller things. And I think I'm gonna go for a spoon rest to put your ladle as you're making stuff by the stove.
So, according to you guys, last year's data showed clay was the most watched and used medium through our whole Nifty content, which means that you guys really like clay. I'm here to deliver. Doing this kit with my team was so much fun. This past year was hard on all of us, so I was glad to be able to take this time to get ourselves away from work and do something really fun. Crockd's mission is to craft the conversation about mental health among friends, lovers, and peers. Speaking of mental health, have you been taking care of yourself? What kinds of things have you done to stay sane? I'll tell you, pottery just may be mine. Crockd is big on art therapy, getting out of your mind and into your hands, and I think I could say that a lot of us here are also into art therapy. There's something about being able to detach and just focus on the next cut, next fold, stroke, pour. Give me more nifty verbs, guys. Also, did you know pottery is one of the oldest and most widespread forms of decorative art? So pretty much it's the original DIY. Let's talk price. This kit costs $72, but because we did it as what Crockd calls groupies, we got a discount, so more the merrier. One of the things that I enjoyed along the process was getting to know my local studio. I went to A-Frame Pottery in Los Angeles, and I would have never known them unless I did this kit. They are knowledgeable and gave me tips for future projects, and they have a dog, so good vibes all around. So here we are a month later. I just got back from the studio and picked up my goods, and they came out so cute. The clay has a light color and not as speckled as the photos, but I love it. Scandinavian vibes for sure. I will check this off as one of my favorite kits so far, and I highly recommend it to everyone. Share some photos of your projects. I want to be inspired by you. I'll see you around. Bye.